here and you're welcome back to Life Class with Mimi. If you want to learn all things fashion, all things health, all things God, all things career, I mean every single thing relating to life, then you are on the right channel. Kindly hit the subscribe button to subscribe to this channel. And please don't forget to like, comment and share. Also, I do post videos every single Wednesday and Saturday, so please do stay tuned. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create an effective plan for your goals. In this life, everyone has goals, but some seem to accomplish far more than the others. This is because people who try accomplishing their goals at a higher rate are people who try using a systematic method of goal setting and determination. So first, you would have to get yourself some items like Post-its and write down what you want to achieve or get rid of, and try posting them in convenient places you try finding yourself in, like walls, beds, bathrooms, on your mirror, and places you mostly find yourself. Post them there. This is actually going to help you reflect on your goals each and every day in order to accomplish them. You can as well use a planner to plan your goals and but I will be showing you what I've been doing for now, which is helping me to be able to accomplish the goals I've set for my life. So you first get yourself an A4 sheet, something like this. Yeah, something like this. I think it's very, very affordable to get. And you get yourself a pen and a ruler. So I want you to join me so we plan an effective planner for our goals. Okay, pros, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, comment as well as share this video, and please don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you soon.